Hi everyone, so welcome back to our YouTube channel and today's question is string compression. So it is given that there's a array of characters chars and we have to compress it using the following algorithm, and the algorithm says that we have to begin it with the empty string s, and for each group of consecutive characters, if the group length is 1, then we have to append the character to s, otherwise we have to append the character followed by the group length, and we have to do it in place, as it is mentioned that we have to do it in this input character array chars only, don't need to return any string separately. And after that, I we need to return the length of the new array, and we have to do it in a constant extra space. So these are the constraints that we have to do. This is the algorithm. We have to return the length and we have to maintain a constant extra space. And now we can go to the example to get better clarity for the question. This is chars is A A B B C C C. So 2 times A, 2 times B and 3 times C. So it is A2 B2 C3. Okay. Now we have to like do it in place. A2 B2 C3. We have to return the 6 as a length. Okay. And okay, this is the example in which the B's length is 12. So we have to return it like 1 or 2. So we have to remember it. Okay, now we'll go to the intuition part to better it how we can do it. Okay, so this is given character array. So if we go with first basic approach that we can think of, okay, approach one, that is brute force. So what we can think of, basically if we don't have any constraint for space or anything, what we can do, we will go for the each character. Okay, and we'll check if it is equal to previous or not. If not, then it means that the character is changed. Then we can update the count to the new string that we make and we can get a result. Okay, so what we can do in this approach, we can maintain there is a current character. Okay, current char. Let's just say we will assign it to A first. Okay, now for I equals to 1 till the end. Okay, we will go. Now, when I will be here at 1, it will check if this is equals to this. And our count was 1. Okay, now it will check if ith character is equals to current char. Yes, it is equal. Then we will update our count. Now we will go here. Now I will be here. It will check if ith character is equals to current char. It is not. Then what we'll do, we will make a string result. Okay, now what we'll do, we will update the result with this current char plus with the current count. Okay, now the result is a plus 2. Okay, now the result is, we will maintain it here, a2. Okay, now and we will update, after that we will update our current character to b. Now it is b and count is back to 1. Okay, count is 1 and current character is b. Again we will go, if this, for this ith character is equals to b, then yes, then we'll update our count. Again it will go to c. Now for here it is not equal, we will, what we'll do, we will update the current char and the count, update, after that update the current char to c, count to 1, c1. Now it will go to next position I, this is equal, we'll update our count to 2, it will go out of the bond, and after that we will come out of the loop and we will after that update that to like a2 b2. Now add the current character out and out the count c2. So now we will get a result. So this is a brute force approach, and uh, we can have a solution with big of n complexity, since we are just iterating over the string once, and the space complexity will be big of n only. Okay, if let's just say the string is this, uh, a b c d till any same. Okay, so it will do a Again, for one we don't have to need to do anything. Similar for B, C, D, E, F, anything till nth character. So it will go like this. Okay. So this will be space big of n and time complexity big of n. So now the interview will ask you to optimize this solution into, as it is mentioned, we have to do it in a uh, constant extra space that is big of 1. So what we can think of, if we have to do it in place, let's just have an array again. Okay, chars equals to A, B and C. Okay, we can now use variables. So this is the next approach, which is the optimize approach for the optimize approach. Mhm. Okay, we can use three variables basically. First will be our index, let's just say I and J. Okay, we'll use these two indexes. Let's just write them like separately outside. Here index I and J. We will use these two indexes to update our character array and we will get our result. Okay, and also two variables to maintain the current character and the count. So that is like common thing that we will do. Okay, now I and J will be at here only. I will be used to iterate over the character array and J will be used to update the character array. We note I will be used to go in the array, move in the array, and J will be used to update the character array. Okay, so we need to like memorize this thing. So what initially it will do, it will go while I is less than n. Okay, and it will check if we will assign it to current char equals to ith position, what is char. Yes, sorry guys for the and this interruption. So yeah, a current character is equals to character at ith position and the count will be 0 now since we don't have any count. Okay, now we will go while we have the same character at the ith position, we will update our count. Okay, now I will be here at 0. Okay, we will check if uh, char at I is equals to current char. Okay, it is true. Okay, we'll check. If it is yes, then we will update our count. Okay, so count will be updated. uh, let's just like remove this from here for now. Okay, we will write it separately, uh, side by side. So what is uh, current character equals to A and count equals to 0 now. So it will check current character equals to this ith character. It will update count to 1. Okay, now I will go to here. It will check if current char equals to ith character. Yes, it will update count to 2. Now it will check if update the I to the next. Ith character is equals to current character not. Now what it will do? It will update the jth character to the current char. Okay, so it is A only. It will update the j to the next position. It will update the count to here. So now this will be updated to, let's just write clearly. A will be here, 2 will be here. Okay, A2 and j will move to here. Since this part is done, all this again the same cycle will go. It will assign the ith character to current character first, like this current char equals to char at I. it will do again same thing and count to 0. Okay, now the same process will go again. It will check ith character equals to current char was b, current char was b and count was 0. If ith character is equals to current char, yes, it will update count to 1. It will go from here to this C. Okay, now what is happening? It will check, it will not be equal. So now what it will do? It will update the jth character to the current char. Okay, B will be updated to here. B it is here only. And since count is 1, we don't have to update the character array. So it will just skip it. Okay, now J will be here. Again, same process. Current char will be updated to C and count will be updated to 0. Okay. Uh, It will check ith character equals to current char. Yes. Update the count to 1. Again, I will go afterwards. Okay. Ith character equals to C. Yes. Count to 2. I will go afterwards. I will check ith character will be checked with current character. Yes. Count will be updated to 3. I will go outside. Okay. Now, since I will be outside, it will not check. It will now update the jth character to current char and j will be updated here and now count will be updated to here. Okay, now how it will look like? A to B to C3, sorry, A to B C3. Okay, and this is our result only. Okay, I think we have got the answer. So the time complexity in this case is big of n. Okay, since we are going over the character array once. Okay, and space complexity is big of 1 since we are using only variables I, J, current char, count, not any data structure. Okay, I think it is pretty much clear. We can use one other example. Okay, let's just say uh, this is our array char equals to A, B. Okay, it is A only. Now B will be here. Okay, let's just say this only. Okay, we can assume the B to be like 12 times. Okay, I will write it 12 times. Okay, this is 11 times. So what is our expectation? A is 2 times and B is 11 times. So our expected answer is A to B 11. Okay. And one thing I forgot to mention that in this we have to return the length of the new updated array. So when this will be updated string, this we get our answer. J will from here updated to here. Okay, J will be here. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So J is 5 and the length of this string is also 5. So we will return our J here. So this is our expectation. Now we'll go for the other example to better understand it. So we have our I, we have our J, we have our current char, we have our count, okay, and we have our like we need to return the J only, nothing new string. So what it will check first, it will assign the highest character to current char, it is A, and count will be 0 now. It will check I ith character current char, yes, I will be updated to here, count will be updated to 1. Again it will check, yes it is equal, it will update it to here, I will be here. Now it is not equal. Now it will do, it will update the jth character to current char which is A only. Okay, and now it will update the count to update the j first, update the count to jth position. So it is like this. J will be updated to 2. J will again go afterwards. Ith just same again. Now it will update the ith character to current char. Similar process like before. Now current char is B and count is 0 again. Now it I will check. Yes, it is equal. It is 1. I will go afterwards. Now it is again equal. I will go afterwards. Again equal. I will go afterwards. 3. Okay. I again it will check. Yes, it is equal. I will go afterwards. It is 4. Now again it will check. It is equal. I will go afterwards and it will update it to 5. Similar process. I will go afterwards. It will update it to 6. I will go afterwards. It will update it to 7. I will go afterwards. It will update it to 8. I will go afterwards. It will update it to 9. I will go afterwards. It will update it to 10. Okay. It is also equal. I will go afterwards. It will update it to 11. Now I is beyond this array length. Now it will update the jth position to B current char. Okay, B will be updated here. Okay, now J will go afterwards. Now this is 11. We cannot put directly 11. As it is mentioned, we have to put one here and one here. Now we just need to convert this 11 into a string and we can go till this string length. So it will do 1 here and similarly 1 here. J will be up here. After that J will come to here. Now the string length is A to B11. This is 2, 4, 5. So this is 5 length and J will be at fifth index only. It will we will return J. So it we will get our result. Okay, I think the approach is pretty much clear. Now, yeah, so let's just move to the coding part. So we can store the size to chars dot size. Okay. Now we will take our two pointers int I and int j. Okay. So we can create like I will be to iterate over the array. Okay. And j will be used to update the char and its count in the original array. Okay. Now we will go until I is still last position out of the bound. Now we'll say store character current char from chars of I, right? And int count will be current count will be 0. Now we'll go I is less than is in the bounds and chars at I equals to current char, right? If this is happening, then we'll go the array afterwards and update our count. If we come out of this loop, that means that there is a current character which is not equal to previous character, right? Now what we'll do, we will update the jth position character to current char, right? And we will update uh, j. Now what we'll do, we will check if count is greater than 1, because if count is 1 only, then we have to return the basically this size only. If it is not, yeah, A is 1, B is 12, so it is only A B12, not A1 B12, right? So we need to handle the case for greater than 1. What we'll do, we will go for all the characters in the count string and update the jth position to this character, right? And update our j. Now if we come out of this loop, right? If we come out of this loop, What it means that we have done all the thing, we have to return the length of the updated character array, which is jth position, as we have discussed in the approach, right? Let's just try to submit it. Run it for the test cases first. Yeah, it is working fine. Use all the example test cases. Okay. Yeah, it is working fine. Let's just try to submit it. Okay, yeah, it is working fine for all the test cases. Thanks everyone for watching. In case you do like this video, please do subscribe our channel for more solutions. And if you have any questions, please do ask in the comment section. I will try to answer them all. And if you have any alternate better approach, please do share in the comments. I will review them. And yeah, thanks everyone.